In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create custom folders in the submitted forms section of the iPEGS remote portal, and also how you can automatically have submitted forms to automatically go into those folders. So why is that useful? Well, if you've got a large volume of forms coming into the system, it helps you organize those forms in a much easier format. So the first thing to do, you can see in this demo account here, we've already got some folders set up, but let's create a new folder. So I'm going to click on Manage Folders, and I'm going to click on Add Folder. Okay, so we're going to call this Test. Now, the weight is the order that the folders will appear on the list. So I'm not going to set any weight, any order in this case. And if we go to Submitted Forms, you can see that my test folder is now added there. If I wanted my test folder to be positioned second, then I would just set the weight to number 2. The other thing you can do with folders is you can also set permissions. So if you've got multiple people using the portal, then you can choose who exactly gets access to that particular folder. And all you do is you click on permissions, and then you just enter the user's name, and that will give that user access to that folder. Any users who don't have permissions will simply not see the folder in their submitted forms. So now I've created my folder, I'm going to go to my form manager, and I'm going to choose the form that I automatically want to go into my test folder. So I'm going to choose this example form here. I'm going to click on the form settings, and I'm going to click on the little pencil. And then I'm going to select form submission. And you can see here a number of options, and what we're looking for is the automatically move to folder on form submission. You'll see by default it's set to the main folder, but I'm going to change that to the test folder. I'm going to click save, and it's as simple as that. All example forms, when they are submitted now, will automatically be sent into the test folder, and that makes it easy for me to manage those forms. What I can also do with folders is, let's say I've completed a form and I want to move it from my main folder or to a different folder. Simply select those forms, click on the drop down, move to folder, choose the folder you want to move it to. So we're going to move it to test. And you'll see now if I go to my test folder, we've moved those two forms into that folder. So that's a quick tutorial on how to manage your folders, how to automatically send forms directly into a folder, and how you can move forms from one folder to another.